Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we will show how to install rtl8xxxu drivers on Linux. It's quite surprising that these drivers support monitor injection mode, packet injection mode, etc. Now I have to install. Now I have to connect my Raspberry Pi 02W to my Wi-Fi to my PC's hotspot. Now let's connect it via SSH. I have to type my username and password. Yeah, I have logged in. Now let's clear this terminal. Now close it. Yeah. Now we have to put some commands. First, we need to check our kernel version and we need to make sure that our device is 64-bit. For that, we need to run this command uname-a. Yeah, my kernel version is okay for this drivers. Yeah, my system is also 64-bit. Now we have to type sudo apt update. I have already done this. Now this is the most crucial part of this video. Most Linux supports this command, but some Linux like Raspberry Pi, OS Pi, Banana Pi sometimes not support this. So we have to install this package separately. Like for my Raspberry Pi 02W, I have to type Raspberry Pi kernel headers sudo apt install Raspberry Pi kernel headers. I mean manually install. For your device, you can try this first command. Then you can, if this not work, then you can manually find your kernel headers and install it from internet. So I have typed this Raspberry Pi kernel headers, and for Raspberry Pi 02W, it's quite slow and it's not a powerful device. So we have to keep patient and wait to install these packages. Yeah, I have skipped this part. It's took quite some time, quite a bit of time. Now we can see that it's installing. This process also took some time, so maybe I need to skip this part also. Fast forward this part. Yeah, I have to fast forward this. Yeah, we can see this. This is processing almost complete. Yeah, it's completed. Now we have to install these packages also to compile our drivers. Yeah, it's also need some times to fully install these packages. My Raspberry Pi 02W is quite slow. However, I am using Diet Pi OS. I am skip this long process. You guys have to be patient to install these packages. Here's the command I ran before. I have showed this in this video. So let's wait. Yeah, it's installing. We have to type Y. Yeah, it's online. I have fast forwarded that. You guys need to have a patient to install this. However, you can use your heavy PC to do that. It will be quite fast, but I am using a Raspberry Pi 02W. It's quite slow. Now we have successfully installed these packages. Now we have to install DKMS package. It also needs some little time, quite bit time. So I have skipped this part. Yeah, it's installing. We have to type Y. It will be installed on our machine, Linux machine. I mean using Diet Pi OS 64-bit ARM8 version. Now we have to clone this Git from GitHub. It's cloning. Now we have to go to this folder. Yeah. Now this is the main command on to compile drivers. It needs a quite bit of time. So we have to keep patient to compile these drivers. I'm going to also fast forward this part of video. Yeah, fast forward it. Now it's finally going to done. Yeah, it's done. Now we have to type this next command. Yeah. Now we have to type this last command to successfully install and apply our custom drivers. Yeah, it's done. Now we can clear this terminal and I can show this USB. Oh, let me plug my driver Wi-Fi adapter and type this LSU again. Yeah, we can see this. The driver are rtl8xxxu FTP. Now let's see sudo yarmon ng command. Yeah, we can see this rtl8xxxu command. U driver successfully assigned with this adapter. We can see Wallen 1 is registered for this Wi-Fi adapter. Now we can see this Wi-Fi adapter support virtual interface mode, monitor mode, injection mode, packet injection mode, all. It's quite surprising for this low price device. So thank you guys for this watching video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.